I am Palash Kumar Chaudhary, your science teacher. My dear students, how are you? I know we are not fine. Because of novel coronavirus. So we have to stay at home and we do not go out from our house. So I request you, do not go out from home and stay at home and save yourself. For the reason of coronavirus, all educational institutions are closed as per government decision. So we provide our lessons and lectures on the basis of the online system. However, we will come back our topics. Today we will discuss about our second term syllabus. Our first chapter is what things are made of. Everybody practice at home to read out the chapter again and again. Now today we will discuss the word meaning and fill in the blanks. Now we will discuss about the word meaning and fill in the blanks. At first we will discuss about the word meaning. Everybody listen to me and write the word meaning at your CW copy. First word meaning, alive. Alive means living. Dead means lifeless. Solid means compact. Liquid means fluid. Pour means cause to flow. Again, alive. Alive means living. Dead means lifeless. Solid means compact. Liquid means fluid. Pour to means cause to flow. Now we will discuss about the spelling. Alive means alive, A-L-I-V-E, alive. Alive means living, L-I-V-I-N-G. Next, dead, D-E-A-D, dead means lifeless, L-I-F-E-L-E-S-S, lifeless. Next, solid, S-O-L-I-D, solid. Solid means compact, C-O-M-P-A-C-T, compact. Next, liquid, L-I-Q-U-I-D, liquid. Liquid means fluid, F-L-U-I-D, fluid. Next, pour, P-O-U-R, pour means cause to flow, C-A-U-S-E, cause T-O-2, flow, F-L-O-W, cause to flow. Again, alive means living. Dead means lifeless. Solid means compact. Liquid means fluid. Pour means cause to flow. Now we will discuss about the fill in the blanks. Everybody start writing. Number 1, most dash are hard. Most dash are hard. Number 2, we can pour dash. Number 2, we can pour dash. Number 3, one important gas is called dash. One important gas is called dash. Number 4, when wax is dash, it melts. When wax is dash, it melts. Now, number 1, most dash are hard. Here, solid is applicable because from this chapter we know solid is hard. Hard means which is not broken easily. Number 2, we can pour liquids. Here, liquids is applicable. Liquids, as for example, oil, milk, water, this is called liquid substance. So, we can pour liquids easily.